Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another video. Today's video is so exciting because I'm going to show you everything that I'm bringing with me to LA. I'm going on a work trip in about 2.5 weeks, so I want to show you what I'm bringing. I'm going Tuesday through Friday, so a 3-night stay. I am going to go through everything that I've picked up so far. But for the most part, I have basically everything I think I'm going to need. Just to preface, I have never flown before, so this will be my first time. So if I seem like I'm literally over preparing, that's exactly why. I'm the type of person that likes to be prepared. I want to know what's going to go down, and if I don't, I want to make sure that I have everything that I need. I want to pack as light as I can. I am just going to fit it all in a carry-on hopefully, and also a personal bag. So I will get into all that in this video, but yeah, let's just get on into it. My filming room right now is very messy because I have been getting organized and everything's kind of just on the floor and laid out so I can see what I have and what I still need to get. So as I said, I'm going to be bringing everything in a carry-on in a personal bag. So this is the base carry-on luggage. It's the smallest one they have, and honestly, it's going to be perfect. I should be able to fit everything comfortably in here. I love this because it glides so nicely. I got the color gray because I just thought it was like neutral, but yet it's not like a super light color where if it gets scuffed, you're really gonna see it. I was thinking about getting one of those suitcase covers. They're like the clear covers for your suitcase to make sure that nothing gets scuffed. I'm kind of like, it's fine. I also grabbed their mini weekender bag, and this is going to be my personal bag that I'm going to take with me on the plane. This is definitely large enough for what I'm going to need it for, and I also got this in gray to match the luggage. Those are going to be the two main bags that I put everything in. My laptop is going in the weekender. All of my electronic like filming stuff is gonna be in here, and the rest of everything will just be in my carry-on. I also picked up these gray packing cubes from Amazon. These are gonna be good for putting like separate outfits in, just organizing all of the clothing that I'm going to be bringing with. I'm going to have probably like 4 outfits at least, so these will just be good to kind of organize inside the suitcase. I bought these little silicone squeezy bottles. I really like these. These had really good reviews on Amazon. They're going to be so perfect, I think, for squeezing out all of the products, and the caps also feel really good quality. They came with these little sticky labels so you can label specifically everything that's in the bottles, which I think is a really good idea. Little clear containers to stick like toothpaste and maybe more lotion or something in. Not quite sure yet, but I wanted to have options. The toothpaste that I used doesn't come in a small container, so I wanted to just squeeze out whatever from my tube and put it in these little containers. They're not the best quality, like the caps are kind of squishy, but I think that they will work just fine for what I need them for. The 1 ounce is definitely the size that I needed. These particular ones also come with little spatulas in case you want to scoop out whatever product you might have. These razor head covers, I'm going to take a full-size razor with me, so I wanted to have something to stick the head in just to keep everything around it protected. So this came in a 2-pack. It fits my razor head perfectly. I also got 2 of these glass perfume bottles. I'm going to bring probably just 2 scents with me to LA. These are glass, so I'm a little nervous about that. But yeah, I already added a little bit of perfume into one of these just to see how it would spray and everything, and it sprays really good so far. I also ordered an air tag because in the event that my suitcase does end up getting checked, or even if it's not checked and it's still a carry-on but it's put above me, I still want to know right where it's at. I don't want to have any doubt, like things going missing and all of that. So this will be in my suitcase, tucked away in case I need to track where it is. I ordered myself another external hard drive. I needed one of these anyway. I am going to be taking this one with me to LA. I am going to be vlogging and getting content, and I want to be able to back up my content ASAP. For skincare, I'm also bringing OG's Discovery set with me. This has all of their mini skincare in cute little TSA approved glass bottles. All of these should last about a week between day and night use, so it's going to be plenty of product for the few nights that I'm going to be there. So this will take care of my skincare. The rest of like my lotions and my body wash and stuff like that will go into those clear little silicone squeezy tubes. Now into outfits. We are going to a influencer event. We're also going out to dinner, maybe like 2 or 3 times. while we're there, so I want to have like a few outfits to choose from. I feel like this for the event would be really cute with these heels. I got both of these on Amazon. I like how this is a one piece and it has the cuts right here. Don't mind my sports bra, I didn't take it off, so it is underneath and it's covering my back as well. Ordered a small and it was still too big around the top half, so I got the extra small hoping that it would still fit my waist, and it does, so we're set to go. I really do like this one piece, so this will be one of my outfits. Also got this white bag off of Amazon. I think this is really cute, and I'm gonna only try to bring one bag with me. I don't want to overpack. I can also tuck this in, which I think I will. I don't really care for that being out of the bag, so I can zip it up and it looks like that thing isn't even on there, but I like that it has a zipper on the inside. It has a nice spacious middle compartment, and then it does have this little slippy side compartment, which I could put like my phone on the side. I could put like some lipsticks or just like makeup, whatever in there. I love this bag. I love that it's white, it's super on brand. Another option that I have is this long black dress with this slit on the side. I wanted to have like a little blazer or something to go over top in case it gets chilly. Whole idea of like getting these outfits and like these accessories, trying to pack light, and I'm trying to pack things that work with multiple outfits. This is another like maybe dinner type of a look. So I don't know that I would wear this jacket with this dress, but this is just another option to have in case I want to switch something up. I really do like this dress. It has a cutout in the back, and once again, ignore my bra, the black. I didn't take it off. It has a really pretty cutout. It's just like a really flattering dress. It's double lined like from here down, so it really just kind of smooths you out, sucks you in. These are not the underwear that I'll be wearing there, so hopefully there'll be no lines. I also wanted to have some dress pants as an option, so I got these slacks at TJ Maxx, and they're really cute. A little wrinkly because they were in the bag, but I really do like these. I gotta find a top yet for this though, so I'm waiting on the top. I also have this trench coat that I got at Ross. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for anything yet, but I think it looks really good with the dress pants. I just want to have options. It does sound like we're going to be hiking one day, so I wanted to get some like little workout type outdoorsy gear, so I got all these on Amazon as well. I have a couple different leggings to choose from, sports bras, and then little t-shirts. I believe the brand is OQQ, where I got all of these like little workout pieces from. Definitely check them out. They're really cute, really high quality stuff. I'm not gonna try these on because these are just more standard like outfits, like they're leggings and a t-shirt, you know what I mean? I will bring like 1 or 2 sets just to have. I also picked up this cute little bikini from Target just in case we have time to go to the pool when we're at the hotel. It's got like this rib material. It has the nice wiring on the bottom for a little support. Bottoms are really cute. They're not too cheeky. They're honestly just perfect. This will be great in case we get some water time in. I also wanted a good, reliable hiking shoes, so I went ahead and I got the New Balance 530s. They're honestly really cute. I think they are. These will be my active hiking shoe, and honestly just for any use. I feel like I'll wear these on the plane. I gotta show you my airport / plane outfit. And then this is the outfit that I'm planning on wearing on the plane and to the airport and all that. Those are all of the main outfits and things that I'm bringing with me to LA. I might throw in a few extra. Those are like the main like outfits or like pieces that I'm going to be using to make an outfit. You will definitely see what I end up wearing while we're there. I've been working on this for a long time. I want to make sure I have everything set aside ahead of time. I'm going to do an official pack with me video, so that will be next after this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you are new, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye.